What's going on? I'm behind glass. I can't feel nothing. Just adopt. Don't shop. That's my message to all of you. Just adopt. Don't shop. Adopt.
Are you sure?
Yes, adopt. Don't shop. What's going on? Are you sweetie? Are you a sweetie thing? You keep on eating yourself. That's pretty nice. The food, I think I want to buy them. I think they'll like this. It has added vitamins and minerals. Another thing I think they'll like, some fruit bean flavor, some nice natural pellets, niceties. I'm looking at these wonderful beings.
Come on, Sandra.
These beautiful creatures from another dimension. Okay. It's like, it looked like he's on the swing, but he's not really, but he's in between that little rainbow thing of beads.
Okay.
And that's Hurley.
He's at the end.
What I want, sleeping on a stick.